Guys, this bike is absolutely insane. Oh my God. Can you imagine 240 horsepower to the wheel? Guys, this bike is absolutely insane. It's my first time riding one. I'm gonna give you a close-up of the upgrades we've done to what I think is the fastest motorcycle on the planet today. Vandemon Exhaust and a bunch of other really nice upgrades. I'm also gonna take you along for the ride back to the shop. I'm gonna turn on this insane machine for you guys so you can hear this Vandemon full exhaust system. We did the BrenTune Stage 2 map. Guys, like riding this motorcycle makes me nervous. Here, let's take a look at the other upgrades before I turn it on for y'all. Let's take a look at the Tail Tidy. So this is the R&G Tail Tidy. So this is a 2024 Kawasaki H2. It is the latest. And if you're wondering if the Tail Tidy fits, the answer is yes. I think this one's listed through like the 2019 or 2020 model. It fits. We went with the Rizoma Leggera turn signals, the triple function. You see that they're running red, they blink. They also blink for the brake light and obviously the amber turn signals. Let's look at the front real quick. Rizoma Reservoirs, let's not kill the battery. Rizoma Reservoirs for the clutch and brake fluids up front. These are the next Rizoma Reservoirs, that's what they call them. And in the rear, that is the, I forget the name of this basic round design, but nice touch, blends right in. And then, of course, you notice the Sato Racing adjustable rear sets. I love these guys. I have a lot of experience with Sato Racing rear sets going way back to the mid to late 2000s when I used to ride a lot of Japanese bikes. And what else did we do? I know I'm forgetting something, but the truth is, guys, I know you want to hear this beast, so let's do it. My God, can you guys hear the whistle of that supercharger? This bike is nuts. I better get on this bike and leave because I'm sure some people were disturbed. I apologize if you're watching this. Okay guys, join me for the ride back. This is gonna be fun. Okay guys, join me. Wait till you hear this exhaust going through this parking garage and the tunnel on the way back to the shop. Let's go. Guys, no BS. I've ridden many motorcycles. A lot of, I mean, most of the highest performing motorcycles on the planet. This one makes me a little nervous. Listen to this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Let's get back to the shop safely. Also, before I forget, huge thanks to Diego for bringing us this Kawasaki H2 and allowing us to unleash the beast that is in this machine. Thank you so much, Diego. You know we appreciate you going way back with all of your amazing motorcycles. And by the way, guys, right after this, I'll link it here, but wait, listen to this. Listen to this Quickshifter. Woo! My God. My goodness. This thing needs open roads. Next up, which also belongs to him, is the MB Agusta Rush, which we just did some really nice upgrades to, and I'll be showcasing that. I'll link that video up here. Yeah, let's just get back to the shop safely, but listen to this thing. My goodness. Nice overcast day here in Santa Monica, California. It's still quite warm though. Man. Before we ride through the tunnel, question for you guys. We're looking for aftermarket mirrors, like stealth mirrors ideally. Couldn't find them. Rizoma doesn't offer an adapter for the H2. Anyway, if anyone knows of any, please comment below. Would love ideas, suggestions. Alright, let's see if we can get some Quickshifter audio for you guys. Next level, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, please subscribe if you like this kind of content. I'll keep it coming. And thanks again to Diego. Thank you guys very much. See you in the next one.